You know what's wild? AI can write poems, build websites, even diagnose diseases. But the real question is, can it take your job? Some people say it's already happening. Others think it's all hype. So, are we headed for mass unemployment or a brand new world of work? Let's talk about it. Yeah, I hear it all the time. Coffee breaks, Reddit threads, even in awkward Uber rides, it's the same mix of curiosity and quiet panic. And honestly, it's a fair question. So today we're pulling back the curtain. Not the corporate press release version. Not the doomsday TikTok kind either. The real scoop. Grab your tea, or your third coffee if you're in tech, and let's talk about what's really happening with AI and jobs. No fluff, no fear-mongering. Just real talk. Wait, are robots actually stealing jobs? All right, let's clear the air. Yes, AI is changing the job market. That's not up for debate. But is it stealing jobs the way a thief snatches a purse in a movie alley? Not exactly. What's happening is more surgical. AI isn't out here replacing people so much as it's replacing tasks. Repetitive, data-heavy, routine stuff. Things that make your soul sigh just thinking about them. Think about customer service chatbots. They don't kill jobs. They take care of the 1,000 times someone asks how to reset a password. You really want to do that all day? But yeah, there are areas feeling the heat. Data entry clerks, on thin ice, junior copywriters and transcribers. It's complicated. Radiologists? Surprisingly still in the game. But they're sharing the table now. Goodbye humans, hello code. Here's the kicker. For every job that starts fading out, another one peeks in, often wearing cooler sneakers. Machine learning engineers, AI ethicists, prompt designers. Yeah, that's a thing now. Synthetic data managers. These are popping up faster than your phone battery dies on a winter day in Montreal. Even jobs that didn't exist 5 years ago are now pulling six-figure salaries. Some don't even require a traditional degree. And here's the twist. You might already have skills AI can't touch. Emotional intelligence, adaptability, creative problem solving. AI's still fumbling that ball. It can write a sonnet, sure, but it doesn't understand heartbreak. Not really. Let me put it like this. AI is a tool, not a terminator. It's like a calculator for thought. Brilliant, fast, but you still need a brain behind the numbers. Okay, but who's most at risk? So who should actually worry? Let's break it down. Repetitive jobs like assembly line work, bookkeeping, and basic legal reviews, these are on the chopping block. Middle layer roles, those that involve coordination but not a ton of creativity, are also vulnerable. And yeah, even some creative fields are seeing weird AI incursions. Did you hear about that AI art that won a contest? Wild. But here's the nuance. The entire job rarely disappears. What happens is more like erosion. Small chunks of your tasks get automated, freeing you or pressuring you to evolve. You've got two options, resist it or reskill. Which brings us to, what can you actually do about it? All right, real talk. Sitting around binge-watching doomsday videos on TikTok isn't gonna save your job. But neither is panicking and signing up for a 3-month Python bootcamp you hate. Instead, start small. Learn how to use AI, not fight it. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Notion AI are becoming workplace sidekicks. Curious, build hybrid skills. Combine your current strength, say teaching or design, with AI-assisted tools. That's leverage. Stay flexible. Change is uncomfortable, but stagnation? That's fatal. Be open to roles that didn't exist last year. They might just be your thing. You don't have to be a coder. You just need to understand the rules of the new game. And honestly, they're still being written. Let's be honest. Are all jobs safe? Nope. Sorry, I won't sugarcoat it. Some roles are phasing out. It hurts. It's messy. And it's not fair. But let's zoom out. Remember when ATMs showed up? Bank tellers were supposed to vanish. But guess what? Banks hired more people for customer-focused roles because they saved money on the mechanical stuff. Same with Excel. People thought spreadsheets would replace accountants. Instead, accountants just got faster, smarter, and way more strategic. We're heading into a similar pattern. AI's not deleting the workforce. It's reshaping it. You're not obsolete. You're in transition. Here's the bottom line. So, will AI take your job? Maybe parts of it. But the better question is, how will you adapt? Because here's the thing. This isn't about tech versus humans. It's about humans learning to use tech better. Like the printing press didn't kill writers. It gave us novels. The camera didn't kill painting. It gave us new ways to see. AI won't erase us. It'll challenge us to level up, stay curious, and maybe, just maybe, enjoy the ride. And if you're still feeling overwhelmed, that's okay. It means you care. It means you're awake. And that, more than any code, might just be your biggest advantage. Hit that like button if you learned something. Drop your thoughts or fears in the comments. We're building a conversation, not just an algorithm. Subscribe for more unfiltered takes on tech, AI, and the future of work. Catch you in the next one.